The celebratory nature of just art, fashion and design combined with the local gift that is te puia. It's a magical experience to be in the heart of a place with such intense and beautiful cultural history and heritage.
Time will tell, my descendants won't suffer, blow up my heart to hell.
Indigeneity is the new trend of people waking up about what do the Indigenous people of the world, how do they express themselves, especially in fashion. So that's so modern.
If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but
I think the fashion world can be quite a cutting place, and when they come here we look after them. We want them to be happy, we want them to shine, we want their pieces to shine, we want their work to sell, we want them to be successful, and I'd like to think that they have a real strong sense of that from the manaaki we offer.
For the students, I know it was maybe a lot of them was their first time in this type of event, or maybe not particularly knowing what they had in store. I think tonight, it'll be really amazing for them to actually see their works come down the runway. They'll be so stoked, and just that sense of achievement.
and they come marching, one by one, only one order given.
I'm really honoured to be able to showcase with some of the designers that have been long-standing in the industry, and I'm trying to find my footing in amongst all of them, which is a little bit intimidating sometimes, but at the moment I'm feeling quite comfortable.
And the most exciting thing happening with Māori fashion is it's not just for show, it's actually how people make a living, and how we put ourselves out there. This is my full-time business, and it's a full-time business for so many other Māori designers as well.
So when I say live, I mean that is actually live. That's happening right before your eyes from our brand new Tāmoko studio.
But it's gone up a notch from last year, the second year, and it's so quintessentially Rotorua. You couldn't go anywhere in the world to see this other than Rotorua. Very special having it here at Te Puia tonight.
I'll be ready, 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 ready.